If your parking brake warning light came on after a brake job, or your EPB just isn't behaving the way it should, don't panic and don't rush to the dealer just yet. There are 3 ways to reset it yourself, and one of them will almost certainly work for your car. Let's get straight into it. Method 1. The EPB switch cycle. This is the most common fix you'll find online, and when done correctly, it works surprisingly well on most modern vehicles. Park on a flat surface. Make sure the electronic parking brake is fully engaged. Don't start the engine, just turn the ignition to the on position so the dash lights up. Now press the brake pedal down and hold it. With your foot still on the brake, push the EPB switch down. That's the release direction, and hold it for a full 7 seconds. Then pull the switch up, the engage direction, and hold that for another 7 seconds. Now repeat it. Down 7 seconds, up 7 seconds. Do that 3 to 5 times in a row. What's happening here is the system is relearning where your brake pads are. Each time you run that cycle, the motors travel all the way out and all the way back in, and the control module takes a reading each time, getting more accurate with every pass. Finish on the up position, brake engaged, and check your dash. The warning light should go solid or turn off completely. If it doesn't clear after 5 cycles, this method may not be enough on its own, which brings us to Method 2. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This one is a proper hard reset. It clears the EPB module's memory and forces the whole system to start fresh. Turn the ignition fully off and make sure the parking brake is applied before you touch anything. Open the bonnet and disconnect the negative terminal first. That's the black one with the minus sign. Set it aside so it can't accidentally touch the battery post. Now here's the part most people skip. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. 30 minutes is better. The reason is that your car's modules hold residual power in their capacitors, even after the battery is disconnected, and you need to give that charge time to drain completely, otherwise you're not actually doing a full reset. If you want to speed things up, press and hold the hooter for about 10 seconds. This safely discharges any remaining power from the system. When your wait time is up, reconnect the battery, positive terminal first, then negative. Turn the ignition on, don't start the engine yet, and firmly press the brake pedal 5 times in a row. This primes the system and signals to the EPB module that a calibration is about to happen. Start the engine, let it run for about 30 seconds, and check your warning lights. One thing worth mentioning: disconnecting the battery can reset a few other things too. Your radio presets and your auto window function. These will all relearn themselves within a short drive, so don't be alarmed. Method 3. The OBD2 scan tool. If the first 2 methods didn't sort it, or if you want to do the job properly the first time, this is the one. An OBD2 scanner with EPB service mode lets you communicate directly with the parking brake control module. It can retract the calipers electronically, run a full reset, and most importantly, read and clear any stored fault codes that the other 2 methods simply can't touch. You don't need a dealer-level tool for this. Mid-range scanners like the Foxwell NT650, the Autel MX808, or the Launch CRP129X all handle EPB resets, and they're available online for a reasonable price. Here's the process. Plug the scanner into the OBD2 port under your dashboard and turn the ignition on. Navigate to the EPB or brake system menu. Some scanners call it workshop tools or special functions. Select service mode or pad change mode. Do your brake work at this point if that's why you're here. When you're done, clear any stored fault codes from the EPB module. Then select exit service mode. This method works on virtually every vehicle with an electronic parking brake, regardless of make or model. That's it. The 3 methods to reset the electronic park brake without dealer visit required. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. More straightforward car fixes coming your way.